Hey guys, um, trying to find a name for a dog. It's going down a huge list. I thought I'd make it a video, so maybe you guys can just watch it. Find a name for your future best friend. Let's get started. Let's start with classic dog names: Max, Bella, Charlie, Lucy, Buddy, Daisy, Rocky, Molly, Cooper, Sadie, Jack, Lola, Toby, Maggie, Duke, Bailey, Bear, Chloe, Oliver, Rosie, Zeus, Lily, Winston, Penny, Murphy, Ruby, Bentley, Sophie, Harley, Abby, Leo, Ellie, Sammy, Ginger, Bruno, Annie, Hank, Millie, or maybe it's Miley, Oscar, Roxy, Louie, Nala, Buster, Stella, Dexter, Zoe, Apollo, and Willow. Evidently some of these are some popular names because my dog goes to daycare and he's going nuts over here. It must be some of his friends. Alright, let's go with cute and playful. Peanut, Moki, Biscuit, Waffles, Pudding, Nugget, Bubbles, Marshmallow, Pickles, Cupcake, Sprinkles, Jelly Bean, Noodle, I don't know about Noodle, Muffin, Tater Tot, Button, Poppy, Doodle, Snickers, Honey, Sunny, Peaches, Wiggles, Pumpkin, Jelly, or Jelly Bean, Tofu, some of those, S'mores, Giggles, Teddy, Paws, Blueberry, Dumpling, Cocoa Puff, Twix, Skittles, Fizz, Pancake, and Brownie. Don't name your dogs Fizz. Alright, let's go with strong and powerful names. Thor, Titan, Diesel, Atlas, Shadow, Rex, Blade, Storm, Fang, Onyx, Brutus, Chaos, Ghost, Khan, definitely a good one. Magnum, Viper, Iron, Cobra. Okay, Cobra. I don't know how good of a dog you're gonna have if you name him Cobra. Bullet, Odin, Hades, Zeus, Spartan, Tank, Riot, Wolf, Avalanche, Saber, Goliath, Rambo, Echo, Raider. I know that's my dog's best friend. Venom, Jet, Havoc, and Nova. Alright, let's go with elegant and fancy names. And I'm not fancy, guys, so I'll probably mispronounce a few of these. Aurora, Duchess, Prince, Princess, Valentino, Chanel, Bentley, Kingston, Pearl, Ophelia, Sebastian, Geneva, Remington, Arabella, Theodore, or Penelope, Augustus, Victoria, Anastasia, Montgomery, Eleanor, Fitzgerald, Celesta, Isadora, Leonardo, Beatrice, Sterling, Vivini, Lucen, Delia, Emerson, Scarlett, Hugo, Madeline, Jasper. Okay, none of them are any good. Let's go with some nature-inspired names. River, Willow, Aspen, Oakley, Sky, Stormy, Rain, Clover, Daisy, Maple, Forest, Sage, Ivy, Snow, Thunder, Breeze, Flint, Stone, Moss. Why would you name your dog Moss? Fern, Ocean, Coral, Sunflower, Ember, Ash, Leaf, Pine, Echo. That's kind of cool. Blizzard, Comet, Luna. I have a feeling there's a few Lunas out there. Aurora, Meadow, Glacier, Star. I had a horse named Star. Food inspired names. Cookie, Brownie, Taco, Nacho, Sushi, Ramen, Pickle, I think we've heard that one. Olive, Pepper, Cinnamon, Sugar, Honey, Cocoa, Latte, Mocha, Churro, Donut, Bagel, what? Peanut butter, jelly, Oreo, cheesecake, mango, kiwi, lemon, pumpkin spice, bacon. You're not trying if you just name your dog Bacon. Meatball, wonton. Nah, not even gonna pronounce that one. Popcorn, pretzel, toffee, caramel, and sundae. Some maybe pop culture, some movie names. Simba, of course. Loki, Yoda, Chewbacca, Leia, Vader, Rocky, Balto, Scooby, Pluto, Bolt, Stitch, Groot, Rocket, Mario, Luigi, Zelda, 3 great ones. Link, Pikachu, Sonic, Batman, Joker, Harley Quinn, Thor, Wanda, Vision, Buzz, Woody, Elsa, Olaf, Moana, Maui, Shrek, Neo, Trinity, Frodo, Gandalf. Alright, let's go with mythology and history names. Got Athena, Apollo, Hermes, Ares, Hera, Achilles, Perseus, Loki, Freya, Odin, Anubis, Isis, Ra, Caesar, Cleopatra, Napoleon, Leonidas, Sparta, Troy, Atlas, Hercules, Medusa, Pandora, Romulus, Remus, Zeus, Helio, Thor, Valkyrie. Wow. Yeah, let's go on. International and unique names. I'm surely going to mispronounce these. Akira, Hiro, Kai, Moki, Yuki, Sora, Amigo, Chico, Paco, Luna, Sol, Azul, Blanco, Miro, Bella, Enzo, Luca, Milo, Otto, Freyja, Bjorn, Nova, Zuri, Coda, Tala, Anya, Sasha, Boris, Micah, Nico, Zara, Lumi, Oslo, Cairo, Rio, Havana. Alright, let's end it up with some funny and silly names. How about Sir Barks-a-Lot, Bark Twain, Chewbarca, Pup Tart, Wolfgang, Drulius Caesar, Bark Obama, Snoop Dogg, Harry Potter, that's Potter with a paw, Bark Vader, Subwoofer, Professor Paws, Captain Wiggles, Chairman Meow, Judge Judy, Bark Ruffalo, Pepperoni, Sir Fluffington, Wigglebutt, Boople Snoot, Zoomy Bonkers, Nibbles. Well, come here and say hi, bud. Come up here. What are you doing? Say hi to everybody, buddy. There's lots of people watching. Zoomy, Bonkers, Nibbles, Goober, Derp, Chonk, Spaghetti, Boomer, which just happens to be, we got one of those right here, and Chaos. And yeah, those two go together for sure. Alright, I guess that's about it for all the names for right now. It don't matter what name you choose, guys. Your dog is going to be your best friend. It's just something fun to play with. So as far as picking a name, hope you guys enjoyed. See you later.